My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Cronus. This ransomware actually may change the desktop background, and the desktop background basically contains the ransom note. It indicates that the files are encrypted by Cronus. There is another ransom note called Cronus.txt, which basically states the same thing, that the files are encrypted and that the users need to pay the ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. If you mistakenly pay the ransom, most likely you will just use your money without getting your data recovered. So do not pay the ransom, do not waste your funds. Here's what I recommend you to do to actually remove this ransomware. You need to use a special anti-ransomware application such as Combo Cleaner. Through your available browser, whether it is Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or any other browsers, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So go to this official website of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Download Combo Cleaner using the special green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the application would first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or other threats. So do not skip this very important update procedure. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins researching and investigating your computer. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of all the threats that were revealed on your computer. Based on the summary of the threats, some infections of course can be removed manually, but I would recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data will always be under the protection from further ransomware attacks with the help of the anti-ransomware feature, which is the part of the premium license. Now, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.